Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm your name, and today we're diving into something healthy, delicious, and 100% plant-based. Yes, we're talking vegan cooking for beginners. Whether you're trying out vegan meals or going fully plant-based, this video will give you 3 simple, tasty vegan recipes you can cook today. Let's get started. First up, breakfast. Let's make a protein-packed tofu scramble that tastes just like scrambled eggs, but it's 100% vegan ingredients. Firm tofu, turmeric, garlic powder, onion, bell peppers, spinach, olive oil, salt, and pepper. Steps. Heat olive oil in a pan. Crumble tofu with your hands and toss it in. Add turmeric, garlic powder, and a pinch of salt. Mix in chopped onions, peppers, and spinach. Cook for 5-7 minutes until golden and soft. This is my go-to vegan breakfast. It's so flavorful, packed with protein, and takes less than 10 minutes. Lunchtime calls for something refreshing but filling: a colorful chickpea salad bowl. Ingredients: cooked chickpeas, cherry tomatoes, cucumber, red onion, avocado, lemon juice, tahini, olive oil, salt, and black pepper. Steps. In a bowl, combine chopped veggies and chickpeas. In another bowl, mix tahini, lemon juice, olive oil, and a little water to make a creamy dressing. Pour the dressing over the salad and mix well. This bowl is high in fiber, healthy fats, and plant-based protein, perfect for meal prep too. Now for a comforting dinner, let's make a creamy coconut vegetable curry that's better than takeout. Ingredients: coconut milk, curry powder, garlic and ginger, onion, carrot, bell pepper, broccoli, cooked rice. Steps. Saute garlic, ginger, and onion in a little oil, add chopped vegetables and curry powder. Pour in coconut milk and let it simmer for 15-20 minutes. Serve with steamed rice. This curry is rich, flavorful, and super easy to customize with your favorite veggies. And that's it. 3 easy and delicious vegan recipes you can make at home, even if you're just starting out. Let me know in the comments which one you'll try first. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your foodie friends. See you next time with more healthy recipes. Bye.